Hello everyone and welcome to my new vlog on TCS Wings1 track details as a part 2 video in which we are going to discuss in details about from track 10 to track 15, whatever remaining tracks are left from track 9. Already I had given one part 1 video from track 1 to track 9 about the syllabus. In this video we are going to discuss about the topics for the other tracks too, and also in details we are going to discuss about the steps that you should follow in order to actually successfully clear Wings 1. And also many of you will be having doubts like whether I should be, how many elements do I need to do for unit electives, how many elements I need to do for domain, from technology, from process, what is it that I should complete. So this video is going, after watching this video you will be confident enough to understand what are the things that you should actually be doing, because surfing the net and YouTube I have realized one thing while I was also doing my Wings 1 journey, that nothing was actually materialized in one complete video, and it was very difficult to understand what are the things that needs to be done, because it is not a single examination that you are giving. Like previously we had digital clearance exam, which was the DCA exam. It was only a single exam with the technology and few MCQs, and followed by which there was some interview process. But that is not the scenario right now. We don't have any interview, but we have a series of learning program, and in order to understand how this learning is happening, and this video is going to in short help you in understanding what are the things that you need to complete. So guys, do subscribe my channel please, because I'm going to help you guys with the Wings 1 resources. I'm not going to help you in actually giving all answers of the exam, because that is an in person going to give exam and you have to go and clear that exam. So I'm going to help you with the resources, the understanding of the tracks that is there, and in actually teaching or making you learn those tracks. So we are going to together learn. Like any person in the comment section can also comment out their details if they have some idea about those tracks, and even I'm going to help in the same learning process. So let's get started. So here we can clearly see the groups that we have to do. You can see there are actually 8 groups present. So out of the 8 groups, you can see group 1. In group 1 it is the Wings 1 ITIS overview, complete all elements. There are 0 out of 2 elements completed. That means from this group you need to complete 2 elements that are within group 1. From group 2, which is technology, there are 14 elements. There are 14 tracks in technology, out of which you need to complete 1. So since the screenshot that I have taken, I have completed 1, that is why it is showing as 1. So you need to complete 1. For articulation, you need to complete all the 4 elements. There are 4 elements which are there. You need to complete all the 4 elements. From group 4, which is the process, you need to complete 2 elements from process. So there are 2 elements itself in process. You need to complete process and articulation completely. From unit electives, you can complete any one from the 29 element instances that are given. There are some which are getting counted as an element inside this group. I have tried to check which are as assessments as well, but any one from the unit electives you need to complete. For business skills, you have 2 business skill options. One is business skill 1, another is business skill 2. Any one you can complete, but to me at least business skill 1 seemed easy. It can differ from person to person. You can go ahead and do with the business skill 2 as well. It is almost similar. So any one among the 2 you have to complete. Assessment modules are present in group 7. This is not a part of the learning that you are doing. It is the assessments. You have to go to these. After completing these, you have to go for assessment in this assessment module, and you have to complete from this particular elements. Group 8 is domain. You need to complete all elements in the domain that are there. That is any one of the one element you have to complete in domain. So this goes with the overview of what are the groups that you have to complete, and if you have any doubt in this, you can comment out in the comment section. Next comes the technology tracks, which I told I would be discussing. So from T14 is the core tech track mainframe curriculum. Then you have core tech Wings 1 T13 data engineering and data visualization curriculum. Then you have T12 test automation curriculum. Track 15 is cloud analytics and AI curriculum. Then you have Wings 1 UX and visual design curriculum, and also learning services core curriculum. So these are the tracks that you can actually enroll in any one of them. So I would like to, many of you have asked me which is the easiest track among them. So it differs from person to person. When you are asking me this question in the comment section, please try commenting out your skill sets also along with that. Otherwise, then it will be easier for me to suggest which one among them you should choose, because I'm not sure whether you're confident on cloud technologies or you're confident in mainframe. What might seem easy to me, maybe I will tell you track 2 because I cleared track 2 from my understanding. Maybe if you are confident in mainframe or if you're confident in cloud analytics, that track can be easier, even more easier than the track 2 which seemed easy to me. So you can comment out in the comment section your skill set, then I can segregate and tell you which is the track that you can choose and clear. But personally speaking, as for the feedbacks that I have received from many people, I can tell track 15 is not too difficult. About cloud analytics and AI, it is not so difficult. You can go ahead and do a number of MCQs which are there. Hands-on is little bit less, but the full stack track that is there, that is the core full stack track, that is a little bit, you need to be confident on hands-on coding, then you can clarify. But everything can be done only when you start learning, and I will be coming up with separate videos in for learning. So for that you can keep me subscribed. And other ones which are present, T16 is enterprise application and platform curriculum, T17 is the digital engineering curriculum. Okay, then you have Wings1 UX and visual design, which I already discussed in my previous slide, and Wings1 learning service also I have already discussed. So I actually missed out in one of the groups that I had said. There is one more group which is group 9, which I thought I should add into the video. That is for your external certification. I'm really sorry because I in the screenshot it was missed out, but I don't want you guys to miss out and again watch different video. So just to keep that in mind, along with the group 8 you have group 9, which is also for your external certification that you need to do as one of the external certifications. And thank you everyone for watching till the end, and do like, share and subscribe it, and if you like it, also share it with your friends, and do comment out in the comment section which track videos you all want first, whether track 1 or 2 from whatever, or from the track lists which are given. Just comment out. I have already received comments for track 2, so I am making a video on the same with the resources that will help you in preparing, and I will make a separate video on how to register as well. Thank you everyone.